Hello there, creative soulmates. Welcome to today's tutorial. How are you all doing? How is family? How is work? Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be taking you through on how to draft a basic sleeve. This method I'm going to show you, you can use it for a short sleeve, a three-quarter sleeve, or even a long sleeve. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Tap on the notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Also like this video if you find it helpful. Share to your fellow creative soulmates. Don't forget to drop your comments below. If you have any questions regarding the video, please drop it in the comment section below. If you have a suggestion or even a tutorial request, drop it in the comment section below. Let's discuss about it. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. Decorative soulmate, these are the measurements we will be working with, our basic sleeve measurement. Now in this tutorial we'll be doing 3 sleeves: the short sleeve, the quarter sleeve, and the long sleeve. That is what we'll be doing in this tutorial. So the measurements we'll be needing for this tutorial, we have our upper round sleeve, that is your Christian mother hand. Then the lower round sleeve, we have 2 measurements here. This one is for 3/4, that is your elbow area. This 10 inches is for the elbow area. You measure around your elbow area. Then this one is for the wrist. Then we have what we call cap height, 4 inches. Our half round armhole measurement, that means our round armhole divided by 2. Our round armhole divided by 2 is what we have here. Now I will be showing you how we got this 4 inch and this 1.5 in this tutorial. Though if you have watched my basic bodies tutorial, I illustrated how to get this 4 inches and how to get your 7.5. So let's get started. The first thing we'll be doing, we have our sleeve length. We have for the short sleeve 10 inches, for the quarter sleeve we have 15 inches, for the long sleeve we have 23 inches. So we are going to mark each of them respectively like that. So the first length we have is 10 inches. The first length we have is 10 inches. So we'll be marking our 10. This is our 10. These are our 10 inches. Then the quarter sleeve is 15 inches. Then our long sleeve is 23 inches. So we'll mark it like this. Our short sleeve is 10 inches. And our quarter sleeve is 15. Then the long sleeve is 23. So I'll use my straight ruler to connect the lines. This is for the short sleeve, long sleeve, and quarter sleeve, then long sleeve. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to insert our cap height measurement. To get our cap height measurement, you divide your bust by 12 inches, then you add 1 inch to it. 12 inches plus 1 inch. So let me illustrate it here. Cap height, bust divided by 12 plus 1. 34 divided by 12 will give us 2.8 plus to 2.8. Then this 2.8 will approximate it to 3 inches. Then 3 inches plus 1 inch will give us 4 inches for our cap height. Can you see? Can you see? To get our cap height, you do bust. Your bust divided by 12 inches plus 1 inch, and the bust my bust is 34 divided by 12 gave me 2.8. So I approximated this 2.8, which gave me 3 inches, and my 3 inches I added 1 inch to it, which gave us our 4 inches for cap height. So that is how we got our cap height. So I'm going to insert my 4 inches now. I'll insert my 4 inches. I'll insert my 4 inches. Can you see it? My 4 inches. That is my 4 inches. Then to get our half round armhole measurement 7.5, you divide your bust by 6 plus 1.5. Your bust by 6 plus 1.5. Let's do that now. Our bust, like I said earlier, is 34. Bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. Bust 34 divided by 6, that will give us 5.8. Sorry, 5.6. 5.6, we approximate it, which will give us 6 inches. 6 inches plus this 1.5 plus 1.5, that will give us 7.5, which we are going to use for our round armhole measurement. Half of our round armhole measurement. Can you see it? So, can you see it? To get our half round armhole measurement, our bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. 34 divided by 6 plus 1.5. 34 divided by 6 gave us 5.6. Then I approximated 5.6, which gave us 6 inches. Then add 1.5 to your 6 inches, you get 7.5. If your bust circumference is 40, 40 divided by 6, your answer plus 1.5. If your bust circumference is 38, 38 divided by 6, your answer add 1.5. It will give you your half round armhole measurement. So let's continue with the class. So we are going to measure our 7.5 like this. On your cap height line, you measure your 7.5. On your cap height line, measure your 7.5. 7.5. This is our 7.5. Then take your straight ruler from your marking to the edge of your paper. The edge of your paper or the edge of your fabric, draw a straight line like this. Can you see what I did? Draw a straight line draw a straight line like this. Can you see? From here to here is our 7.5, which is our half round armhole measurement. Now on this line, take your armhole curve. Take your armhole curve. Measure from here to where you mark your 7.5. What you have there, divide it by 2. Here I have 8.25 here, so divide it by 2. So after getting your midpoint, which is here, come down by ½ inch here. Come down by ½ inch like this. Come down by ½ inch here. Then place your curve like this. Then you mark from this ½ inch like you put here. You curve it like this. Yes, curve it like this. Then turn your curve the other way. Turn your curve the other way. Then mark like this. You understand? Now, that is how to get the curve for our armhole. Now, if you are drafting a short sleeve, You don't need to bother about this from here like this. You don't need to bother about this. You only add your 2 inches for your folding allowance. That is if you are working with a short sleeve. But if you are working with a 3/4 sleeve, you don't have business with this part of the long sleeve. You only stop here and you add your 2 inch for your folding allowance or more. Then if you are working with a long sleeve, that is when you draft your pattern like this. Now let's insert our measurement. For our short sleeve, our round sleeve is 12 inches. 12 inches divided by 2 will give us 6. 6 plus 1 will give us 7. That is how we arrive at 7 inches here. Therefore, your quarter round sleeve, we have 10 inches. 10 inches divided by 2 will give us 5. Plus 1 inch for seam allowance will give us 6 inches. That is how we arrive at our 6 inches here. Then for the long sleeve, the round sleeve for our long sleeve is 8 inches divided by 2 will give us 4. Plus 1 inch for seam allowance will give us 5 inch. That is how we arrive at our round sleeve. Now, use my straight ruler to connect. Then come here like this. Connect like this. Then to the wrist. Can you see? So this is how you draft your basic sleeve pattern. Then at the tip here, at the down part, you add this our 2 inch for our folding allowance. So you take your, you insert your measurement also. You have 5 inches. Then you come out by 1 inch. Because when you fold, for everything to rhyme, come out by 1 inch. Yes. So this is how to draft our basic sleeve pattern. I hope you understand it to this point. This is how to draft our basic sleeve pattern. So we've come to the end of this class. If you find this class helpful, please drop your comment in the comment section below. Tap the notification bell so you can be notified of our next upload. Also, subscribe to this channel so you can be part of this great family. So till we see you in our next class. Bye.